Welcome to the Untamed channel, where we talk all things mental health, self-improvement, relationships, and why your brain sometimes feels like a browser with 37 tabs open, and one of them is playing music, but you can't find it. Let's get straight to it. You sit down to work, and before you know it, you're organizing your desktop folders by color, watching conspiracy theories about why pigeons are government spies, and stress-eating chips you don't even remember opening. You had one job. And still, nothing got done. But here's the thing, you're not lazy, unmotivated, or broken. You're just human, living in a world that is practically built to hijack your focus every 5 seconds. And spoiler alert, it's not entirely your fault today. We're unpacking why you can't focus, and how to actually fix it. Like, real solutions. Not the just drink more water and manifest kind. Let's start with the obvious, we are distracted. All the time. Notifications, texts, ads, emails, memes about emails, and the irresistible pull of checking if that one person watched your Instagram story. We are overstimulated. Our brains are basically on a roller coaster with no seatbelt. And no idea where it's going. Every time you switch tasks, your brain has to do this thing called context switching. It sounds fancy, but really it's just your mental energy being chewed up every time you move from writing a report to Googling if dogs can get sunburns. They can, by the way. Weird, right? And here's the kicker, every time we give in to distraction, we're training our brains to need it. Dopamine hits like a casino slot machine. You're not working, you're gambling with your attention. And guess who's losing? So what's actually stealing your focus? Besides your phone, your fridge, and that voice in your head telling you to reorganize your sock drawer, let's talk about the sneaky saboteurs. Number 1, mental clutter. If your brain's juggling 57 thoughts at once, deadlines, laundry, whether you offended someone by liking their message instead of replying, there's no room left to focus. It's like trying to have a deep conversation in the middle of a rave. Number 2, sleep. Yeah, we know. But seriously, if you're running on 4 hours of sleep and a latte, your brain is basically trying to function with the lights off and one shoe missing. Focus needs fuel, and sleep is that fuel. Number 3, low-key anxiety. The kind that's just hanging out in the background like a weird roommate who won't stop humming. Even if you're not having a full-on panic attack, your brain's still on edge, scanning for threats. And it's kinda hard to write that essay when your brain thinks it's being chased by a tiger. Or worse, your ex. Number 4, digital overload. Let's be real, checking your phone just for a second is a lie we all tell ourselves. Next thing you know, you're on YouTube watching how to make homemade soap from scratch at 2 a.m. and questioning your life choices.